Hello everyone, today I'm just going to show you how to move and rotate a item within the printable area of the 3D printer. So I've just opened up my project here, the 50 cal bullet. I know that I've selected the bullet because it's always highlighted in pink, so if it's highlighted in pink the bullet is being selected, or the object has been selected, and from there I can start doing the stuff with it. So up here on the top in the menu up here, what I want to do is I want to click on move, and once I click on move I can click on the X, Y or Z axis. So here it tells you the X axis will move it along the X axis, which is the red one here. Clicking on the Y one, it'll move it along the green axis, and clicking on the Z axis it'll move it up and down. So for example, I'll just move that so you can see. So if I want to move the bullet into a different position on the X axis, I just click the X. You can see it's moving along the X axis there. If I want to move it on the Y axis, I just click that. And if I move it on the Z axis, I will click up this way. What I can also do is move it down. So if I click on the negative one there, if I click on the Z, it will move it down, the Y will move it back, and the X will move it back the other way. So if I went minus 20, it will move it 20 millimeters. So if I click X, you can see it's moved at 20, Y, and the Z will move it down. Now if I go to the rotate here, again my object is selected because it's in pink. I can rotate it in any number of degrees, whether it be negative or positive. So if I click on 90 and I click on X, I want to rotate it on the X axis 90 degrees. I click on the X, Y and Z. The Y didn't do anything, but if I go to 30 degrees, there you can see it's rotated on the Y axis 30 degrees, Z and X. So you can see from that, and again I can do it in the reverse, depending on how I want it to go. So if I place that now, it's placed it down there, not exactly how I want it, so let's try and, okay, and if I move it, let's try and get it back to where it was. I'll move it Z-axis 20. You can see it's moved it up there. That's just a quick demonstration on how I can actually move and reposition the object. So if it's not going to print in a particular way, given how it comes into the software, I can manipulate where it is positioned simply by clicking on move or rotate.